Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Blink sync module flashing green in minutes. If you want to fix your issue, you need to consider these steps to follow. If your sync module is offline or if you encounter any issue during setup, begin by verifying the LED patterns on the device, then process with the troubleshooting steps. If your sync module displays a solid blue and a blinking green LED, this indicates the sync module is offline and attempting to reconnect to the previously configured Wi-Fi network. Several reasons why your sync module may have gone offline include power interruptions, such as outage or being unplugged for a prolonged period of time, updated Wi-Fi settings, such as a new password, or signal interference from devices like ports and extenders. If your sync module goes offline, you will notice the following in the Blink app. A sync module is offline banner will appear at the top of the home screen. The thumbnails of each camera will blur and display a sync module is offline message in the center. Before you attempt troubleshooting steps, please verify network compatibility. Your network meets the requirement necessary for Blink devices as outlined. In understanding Wi-Fi and network requirements and Wi-Fi password, your Wi-Fi password has not changed since you last set up your sync module. If it is changed, you will need to update the sync module with the new Wi-Fi password. For guidance, visit updating the Wi-Fi settings for your sync module system. These are the troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. In the second step, power cycle the sync module. Disconnect the sync module from the power for 10 seconds and plug it back in. After rebooting, a solid blue or solid green LED indicates the sync module has successfully reconnected to the network. The third step is to re-enter Wi-Fi password. Refresh the sync module's Wi-Fi connection by re-entering your Wi-Fi password. For guidance on update your sync module's Wi-Fi setting, visit updating the Wi-Fi setting for your sync module system. The fourth step is to simplify Wi-Fi configuration. Disconnect any ports or extenders and ensure that only your main router is powered on. After your sync module connects successfully, you can reconnect any ports or extender that were previously connected. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.